Alright guys, what's going on? Mouse here. And look at that. Decreases ultimate skill damage. So they don't want us to use Kanai on every single game content now. Oh man. They have to like specifically do this and boost Mirei and Kotoryuji. Oh boy. I think this will be easy though. Much easier than last week probably because we got the boosting algorithm. So we can probably use Suyon team. Water team, probably not so much because Alicia is core attack based. Yeah, so this video, let's just check what's inside, what kind of bosses we're going to fight here. One of my guildmates mentioned this, wherein you get more points, but we don't know yet how much boxes we get from here. I'm not sure if this is gonna be more boxes or just the same amount of boxes when you reach 30.9k or 31,700. So I guess that is why we get sometimes money power extract and then red designs. Chance is quite decent, I would say. So I think we can try this by getting more codes, getting collections, probably do some episodes maybe. I'm not sure. For the codes, you guys already know the codes for these. Main focus, boosting codes all the time, and then of course firewall damage dealt, elemental damage, of course we want that, and of course the upscaling that reduces the basic skill cooldown. And someone told me that the ultimate skill cooldown also reduces Mirei's basic skill cooldown. I'm not sure, haven't confirmed yet. Maybe we can try that later. And for the collection, not so much here, situational. We'll get them if we don't have any more choice. Maybe this is the only one that I am specifically looking for, the mana meter, as well as probably maybe the clear prism for that increased damage taken. So this time around, we will be using Mirei with the proper build, and her build now is just pure main stats. I honestly believe that this is the meta for tier 30 because the monster levels are too high. A lot of our defense penetration, damage increase, crit damage, critical hit rate are gonna get penalized, or the required value will increase depending on the target's level. And this time around, we're gonna use expert set. I used obsidian set before, but I realized the battles are way longer than expected because this is tier 30. So I'm gonna use expert set now, and then here are the cores. I think we won't have MP problems, hopefully. 2200, let's just check. And then Kotoryuji, 70k HP almost. We're gonna use 8-piece grid for the buff, some random cores here. And for Hansemi, here's what we have. Crit damage, just the usual 166k HP, 4-piece Guardian and 4-piece Sylph, and then some random cores as well. Maybe we can change this to something just to be safe. Yeah, let's go ahead and try it. Ultimate, always critical hit, we don't want that. I think I'm gonna go with the firewall here for now because this will be very crucial. Defense down and increased damage taken, and increased damage taken is a very high level damage amplifier. Alright, ignore defense, good. And Kuroa's darkness is actually down. I might need to add some MP consumption reduction later, maybe, or just the MP regen. Yeah, I think I need to, because this is way too risky. Alright, we don't need this. Critical hit, ult damage. Please give me a good one. Oh no. Alright, boosting protocol plus 2 of the best ones that we're looking for. I'm gonna change my gears first, so I'll probably just put something here. Maybe this one will work well. Yeah, just so we can save some. It's okay to lose that damage, a bit of damage. By the way, I'm using that core because we're expecting that our cooldown will be reduced here in simulation game, okay? But outside, other game content, the Nameless Demon will work better than the Teeth of the Watcher, usually. Alright, next. Ooh! Of course. Of fucking course. I think we don't need to go to system maintenance for now. Or maybe we should. Let's get some collections just to add some scores maybe. I'm not sure how much score will collections give, but oh, we got some good ones actually. Actually, let's try to sacrifice just for the sake of science. Let's let's try this. I think I'm gonna get this one. 50% for assassin, 40% damage, or maybe I can get this one as well as a debuff. But I think this one will be more guaranteed. I think this one is better, probably. In terms of damage output, I'm just worried about the uptime because I have to keep on switching to the tank, which is Goto-Ryuji. So I think that's my main issue. So I'll just go for this. Who's gonna be? Wang Dong-Su. You have a break gauge? No break gauge. Oops. Let's try to... Anyway. Oh, I missed one skill. 91%. I think this is way... Fucking no. I was about to say it's easier than Alicia, but it's definitely feels softer. Maybe because we have the algorithm now for the boosting. Right? Maybe that's why. Ah. I need to heal. And then switch again. Ult again. 70% HP. 64%. Yeah. We have expert set now as well. So we can expect the damage to be stronger by the end. Around 30% or something. And we can do... Wow. That was fast. 33% already. Oh, it's Berserk mode. I don't care, bro. I already have. And we're gonna get guaranteed legendary code here. So I hope that we can get something really nice. Okay. Nothing here. Break state. I'm not sure if Jinwoo has break gauge this week. But if... Yeah, I can't risk it. This is the first run. When we dash, critical hit rate increases. I think this is quite decent because we can get some protocols as well, and we don't have a choice anyway. Okay, so yeah, let's just get this. Alright, so we got a wind one here, although it's ultimate skill. But the good thing about this is that we can use Mirei's ultimate every 28 seconds or something. So I think this is fine. Not the ideal one, but let's get that because the more codes we get, I think the more score we get. I'm not sure if that's per code or per type of code. Shield here. And then decreases HP's attack. It's just one more. Oh, fuck. Holy shit. Ah. Yeah, it's fine. I think we can still finish this now because we got a lot of codes already. We got the legendary one, right? And the algorithm this week is not that harsh. Alright, upscaling. Basic skill cooldown. So this is one of the things we're looking for. We got it. Nice one. One of my most hated enemy here everywhere, even the one in Battlefield of Trial, I think. Protocol damage, yeah, quite decent. Ooh, look at the cooldown. I think it's bugged though, right? Oh, maybe is it because of the... Yeah, because of the extreme evasion, but that's... Wait, Why is it happening? From 12, it becomes 2. And this is only 5%, an additional 5%, so that should not be happening at all. I think it's bugged. It's not supposed to work that way, right? This is like almost unlimited now. Look at that. What? Let's check Goto Ryoji's skills. But I think it works as intended on Goto Ryoji. That's interesting. I'm not sure. Maybe Mirei's ultimate form is like triggering that bug. But anyway, that helps us. So no complaints there. I'll just get this for extra fragment we can use later. Let's just try to do one episode. Please don't be the episode. Alright, what's it gonna be? Make a quick trip to the boring old hunters auction they don't hold. Obtain one random collection. And you have a 90% chance to succeed and obtain one collection if you fail the number of data fragments. Huh? I'm gonna get same collection entry and data fragments. Why would I pick that though? Oh, nice. This is for tank. We can't use it, but it might add to our points later. Hopefully not Kante Chick. Okay, this one is Yoonho. There might be a shield. Yeah, there is a shield. I think we can break this pretty easily now. So we'll do a different strat. I'm gonna break him first. Fuck! Made a mistake there. That's okay. Let's go. I had to check if my recording is on. Yeah, I think this code is bugged. Look at that. Even the ultimate is getting refreshed fast. Yeah. That's why people keep on mentioning this. So we can simply just do the ult now. And then keep on dodging like that. Instead of 10%, we are actually reducing about 10 seconds instead. What the fuck? Maybe that's what we call the intentional mistake. push the win team, give them basic skill increase and give them that refresh. All right, what do we get here? Restores. Oh, we got legendary of that. And when the user uses basic skill, legendary of this, I don't think we need it anymore. Maybe we can just try this restore HP. How much HP? 3,700 HP regen. Look at this. Well, 11k per hit. What the fuck? Ooh. That's wild. So we can literally tank anyone now. Oh, maybe not. Oh, crazy heal. Instant full HP. What the fuck is this? Yeah, it's sorry guys, it's my first time to actually use that with legendary. Let's tank this. Oh. What code are we gonna get? 300, 400. Maybe we can still refresh one last time. Look. 300 plus 100 plus 100, 500. Maybe we can buy one more collection just so we can see how much score it will give. So let's just get something that might be... Let's just take something like random. Maybe this one will have higher score. I'm not sure if legendary will have higher score. And if we don't get the like a rare loots from that, fucking crazy. So let's go. Data fragment. We have here mage and fighter 50%. Defense penetration, damage taken decrease. Oh, nothing we can use. But let's get some enhanced codes here. Just to secure this run. And then another one. And after that, we're gonna get 100 here. Maybe we can just use this. Make Goto more tanky. I'm not sure if Jinwoo has break gauge here. I think maybe not. Probably not. Doesn't matter anyway. Oh, he has a break gauge. So, what did I get earlier? Yeah, at least some of it. We can use some of it. Oops, nice. So he now has some debuff. Oh, very tanky actually. Well, because we we bought some collections. Yeah, but still, I think we can clear this pretty easy because of that upscaling bug. %79%. Onegai. Karasuno. Karasuno. %70%. We might actually lose this fight. We still have like decent amount of time. Hopefully not. Let's not waste some time. Well, we have the infinite scaling, I forgot. So yeah, this will be faster later. We're gonna get more stacks of that. We just have to keep dodging. We don't need to... I didn't know that it was bugged. Like that. Oops! Yeah. Should be easy. And we don't need to clear pass anymore because time is not added anymore on the points, right? as far as I know. Onegai shimasu. Fuck. Really hate the targeting here. Automatically switches to Igris. So let's check. We have 10 codes, 3 collections. How much points are we gonna get from that? And we did an episode. Is it gonna be worth it? Should be at least 31k, right? Let's see. How much? 30,000 one. Huh? Collections are like only 370. So I think maybe, I'm not sure what the milestone bonus is. Yeah, maybe we should prioritize codes more than the collections because 10 codes. Yeah, I think we didn't get that. Let me just check again. Fuck that. Here, 30,900 to get this chance. So yeah, maybe I'm not sure about the milestone. Is that the episode? Do let me know in the comment section because I really don't know. Maybe yeah, I don't know. Yeah, anyway, failed to get this gold box. I'm gonna try it again in my next run, but yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Thanks so much for watching. Hope this video helped. Yeah, no problem this week, and then confirm the bug on upscaling. For those who are planning to run tier 30, I think it's relatively easy compared to last week, so you should be more confident this time around if you have the wing team, or even the Suyon lineup. I think will work this week because that's basic skill too. All right, so that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next one.